Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on setting up a rainwater harvesting system. In specific regions, you can collect approximately 2,500 liters per season. This resource proves invaluable for tasks such as car washing and garden irrigation. Moreover, it can ignite entrepreneurial inspiration. Take, for example, Richard's Rainwater Enterprise, where they collect, filter, package, and sell this precious water at $17 for a set of 12 cans. Rainwater, or liquid gold, also serves as an excellent option for bathing. It boasts a low salt content, ensuring easy rinsing of gels and shampoos while being gentle on your scalp. In Canadian cities, heavy snowfall is a common occurrence, often ranking them among the snowiest places globally. Take Quebec, for example, where snow blankets the landscape from December to April, accumulating over 3 meters. To combat this winter challenge, Canada has introduced an innovative solution, keeping neighborhoods and sidewalks warm. This groundbreaking system covers over 3,000 square meters, eliminating the need for manual snow removal tools. Craftsmen can even install heating mats on stairs and porches. What sets this system apart is its remarkable efficiency. It consumes 40% less energy than its competitors, operates fully autonomously, extends pavement life, and is compatible with various paving stones. While the company keeps the details under wraps, it's undeniably an exclusive and revolutionary solution. Typically, alarm systems sound the alarm only after a break-in has occurred, giving burglars time to cause havoc. But how about an alarm that anticipates trouble? That's precisely what the German experts at REHAU have accomplished. When their sensors detect an intruder, it triggers both lights and a sound alarm. The genius part is that it requires the intruder to come within 20 centimeters of the windows and doors to activate it, eliminating false alarms from passers-by or neighbors. The accompanying app not only notifies you when the system is triggered but also offers manual control options, like arming/disarming and checking the status of your windows and doors. It's an innovative solution that could redefine home security. What are your thoughts on this? Animal Crossing: New Horizons has achieved a remarkable feat as the first console-exclusive video game to reach 30 million sales within a year. Unlike traditional action or racing games, players engage in activities like farming and crop trading. The FarmBot project is a standout success, allowing users to turn their virtual gardens into reality with open-source code for easy customization. Assembly takes just an hour, and with a 2.4 by 6 meter working area, FarmBot is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, even finding applications in schools. The Express v1.1 version is available for $1,400, bringing innovative farming closer to all. Exciting news for pool retailers in the Asia-Pacific and Middle East regions. With the growing demand for luxury homes, here's an innovative system you should definitely consider. Imagine a protective shell adorned with artificial grass that cleverly conceals a spa. There are various versions to choose from, like the Summits model, which can comfortably accommodate up to 7 people. It offers an indulgent experience with Japanese shiatsu and Swedish massages. This spa, while luxurious, is no lightweight, coming in at half a ton when empty. Introducing these compact treatment stations, known as Innoclair, which are a game changer for wastewater treatment. They're especially vital in areas lacking traditional sewage systems, offering a sustainable solution for small groups, accommodating up to 9 individuals. What sets them apart are their low energy consumption levels. A model serving 6 people costs just around $22 annually, and their hassle-free installation, even in challenging terrains like mountains or flood-prone regions, all set up within a matter of days. These stations have undergone rigorous testing at the EU level, secured multiple patents, and proudly hail from France. The pricing is adaptable to each customer's unique needs. Electronic roofing systems, ERS, are getting smarter, and now they're not just for homes. Imagine a high-end resort or hotel with a custom ERS to enhance your experience. This company offers tailored ERS with options like lighting, glass features, and even complimentary electric shutters for added security. These pergolas aren't just stylish, they're practical too. With openings up to 7 meters wide and a built-in rainwater drainage system, you can store outdoor furniture and accessories safely. What sets these ERS apart are their 8 movable parts, 6 in the walls and 2 in the roof. You don't have to compromise on sun protection, ventilation, or privacy. Introducing groundbreaking 3D LiDAR SLAM technology, advanced smart route planning, and RTK navigation. It might sound like a feature set for a moon rover, but in reality, it's the future of lawn care. This innovative lawnmower boasts centimeter-level precision in positioning, entirely independent of satellites, thanks to its clever algorithms. With a staggering coverage of up to 4,000 square meters in a single day, this mower autonomously calculates the most efficient path, even memorizing different zones with customizable settings, from cutting heights ranging between 30 to 85 millimeters. And here's the kicker, it's also theft-proof. If it strays from its designated area, it sends an alert complete with a GPS tag. This remarkable mower garnered $621,500 in Kickstarter backing, with a starting price of just $1,250. Our objective is to elevate home security starting right at your doorstep. As the innovators behind this lighting system, we take pride in its seamless integration with your overall home and yard security setup. What sets these lights apart are their built-in motion sensors. Moreover, they can effortlessly sync with cameras and doorbells. A standard light, priced at just $30, detects motion within a range of 4.5 meters, covering a wide 140-degree angle. You'll receive notifications about both anticipated and unexpected visitors, seamlessly integrated with Alexa. Plus, a single set of batteries lasts a whole year, making it incredibly efficient and hassle-free. What constitutes a small house in the UK? Some may label them as shoebox homes with a somewhat negative connotation, typically referring to houses around 76 square meters in size. However, even these modestly sized homes demand significant effort when it comes to cleaning. The repetitive back and forth with a traditional vacuum cleaner can be quite a chore. That's where cleanliness enthusiasts should consider the Homevac Central. It's a centralized vacuum system featuring a single operating unit with multiple ports, round ones for the hose and rectangular ones for debris collection. This system delivers 5 to 10 times more cleaning power than standard vacuum cleaners, making your cleaning more efficient and energy-saving. Plus, you can conveniently control it with your smartphone. Welcome to the future. Drones are revolutionizing security and surveillance, now patrolling expansive landscapes for potential trespassers and suspicious activity. Covering a sprawling 2-hectare area in less than 30 seconds, these drones fearlessly brave any weather, rain, snow, or wind. No need for manual control, they autonomously chart their course, expertly avoiding obstacles and identifying objects, even in low light conditions. When it's time to recharge, they retreat to dedicated capsules, fully energizing in just 22 minutes. This cutting-edge technology is shaping a safer, more efficient world. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.